Hello friends, myself Aftab. I'm here to explain my mini project which I built during my training period in CCBP 4.0 intensive program. I built a COVID related mini project which is called the COVID-19 dashboard, which is a real time COVID data stores on the front end side. I will show my project. This is a website URL for the project COVID-19 data ap.ccb.tech. You can see this is a home page of the web page, the COVID-19 dashboard web application. I will show you first this web application and explain it, and then after I will show the source code for this code. If you want the source code for this code, I will share this link of GitHub links in the description. You will check out there. In this application, you will see that there is a header. This is a header section. In header section, there is a home, about, and a vaccination route. You can use this route using the React router DOM to navigate through the various route. You can also click on the COVID-19 logo and you can navigate to the home page. There's a home. You can use also a home route. The about route. About click on the about. There's a you can go to the about section. You can see the here. There's a section slash about, and the section says vaccination. You can see this here. If you can do any other thing which is not mentioned on the page, as you can see there is a page not found, and you we are sorry the page request could not be found. Maybe you can click on the home button, then you can redirect to the home page. In the main content, there is a search bar which is used to search the various state, and these are all the number which is of the total number of the countries data. These are confirmed case in the country in India, in the active case in India, recover case, and discharge cases in India. You can see the table. In table, there is all the 30 states of India, and individual data of these states is display in this table. The confirmed case of Andaman Nicobar, active, recover, and popular, and all state population also display in this table. You can see there is a many all the state of the mention in this table. There is a footer section, and in search bar you need to, if I need to search for Gujarat, then I will type GU, and you can see there is a Gujarat in recommendation section. You can see there is a Gujarat. You can click on it, and you can redirect to the route of state route. You can see here the state dot GJ is the code of the Gujarat state. There is a this is a tested means there is how much RT-PCR COVID test is done till date in Gujarat. You can see the number of these test cases. The same on the on you can see same on page as the number of the total in country, as same you can do for Gujarat. There is a number of the total case confirmed case in Gujarat, active case, recover case, and decent case. But there is one major difference is you can see the confirmed number case and the district of Gujarat. There is how much district you can see there is many district in Gujarat, and each district there is individual confirmed cases. You can see the data of these individual confirmed cases. Like Rajkot, there is a 57976 cases in Rajkot individually, and there is active case. You can so there is the change of the data and the active data you can see here. There is a recover data, there is a recover cases data you can see it in the district, same as the district. And you also see there is a bar chart. I use the bar chart. I use this bar chart as a reach from third-party application Recharts in ReactJS, and this is the bar chart data as per our above data. I will create this bar chart, and this is a spread trend, and this is a line chart for confirm cases, for active cases, and recover cases, and disease cases. You can see this is see the tested, how much testing is done during, and the increasing of this increase the testing you can see in the chart. You can also click on any of the table, any of the state in the table. Then you can see, I will show the Jharkhand state and the state.gh. It will load, take a time to load. Wait, okay, sorry, something server problem is here. I will show you that the Madhya Pradesh, this is we go right. The Madhya Pradesh state and the testing and the same as the I will show the Gujarat. There is a Madhya Pradesh state and all the data related this is same and the chart and all these things. Okay, hope you will understand this website how it works and how all the data is used. In about section, I will mention some the Q and A of the this website and related to COVID, what is the project related and the which API will get this data. You can see that there is one with this website, this HTTP API COVID-19 India.org. Will get the data from this website to display on web page. There is some fact regarding COVID-related data, COVID-19, which we need to follow. Okay, I will show you the source code for this website. Wait, this is the source code. There is a app.j in SRC section. There is a app.js is the main template of this, and the we can use the switch and route from the React router. Down you can see here import and in slash as the home component as the home and about vaccination and state-wise cases. We will show this and then not found cases. The route is also. I will show you the home page. There is a component structure. You can see there is a many component which is in the use in this build web page. There is a home container. In home you can see index.js. Just take time to load. I will hardcode the state name code and the state name in inside the home index.js, but you can also make an individual file and import from there as per your choice. You can see there is a class component and I will there is a component in mount which in this component we will call a API call and that all data API call. I will show you there is a API which we can get all this data from this API and we call API using the fetch API. There is some logic for the national wide confirm case recover case data. You can see this here. This all this confirm case, active case, recover case, and this all data is we can. I will need to write some logic for this data and this is total active case name in saving the state. I'm not explaining full of this component structure because this is a very lengthy process. And inside this, you can see this is a render on national data means this one. This section is render from this side and the loading view. You can see that if I will refresh, then the three dots is a loading view and also we can use this as a filter ascending and descending order as per the naming convention with the logic for this ascending order and the descending order. The, in the render all state list means this state list we can render in table format. The total state route in total state routes we can so where is the total state route this one and in total state route can see that in total state route we use the table, and in table we mention all the data in the table, and for using this link from React router down we can navigate to the state, each state individual state wise data route. Okay, and I will show the responsiveness of the website. Inspect. So you can see there is a responsiveness of this website. You can, as per our convenience. Table is not responsive because there is a data which is not. You can scroll down it. Okay. Hope you will enjoy this video, and you find this informative video. If you want the source code for this video or any other related information for this web page, please do comment. I will surely make reply for this comment. Mm, Thank you very much. Hope you will enjoy. Thank you.